Hello everyone. In this session, we shall discuss some more concepts. This is the third program, and the purpose of this program is to demonstrate various arithmetic operators in C language programming. We all know what arithmetic operations are: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in this third program, we discuss only three arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The division operation we shall discuss in the next program. Here in this program, I introduce you to two concepts: variable declaration and format specification. So what is this variable declaration? What is a variable? A and B are variables. That means here I am initially assigning values 3 and 4 to A and B, but later during program execution these values change. Okay, variable means their values change during the program execution, and constant means their values remain constant. For example, 3 and 4 are constants, they remain 3 and 4 always. So here I have two variables A and B, then another variable C, and I am performing the addition operation A plus B, and I am assigning the value to C. So equal to is an assignment operator. We assign the value on the right side to the variable on the left side. Here I have my printf function C equal to %d. I am printing the value of C. And what is the data type of C? Here the data type represents the number system. I am using integer number system. I have the data type called int, which represents the number system integer. So the value of C is 7, and the data type of C is an integer. So this %d is a format specification character, and it represents an integer. Okay, %d specifies an integer. I am trying to print an integer. Okay, we are informing the compiler that we are trying to print an integer here. Okay, we are mentioning the data type of the variable. The data type is integer. Variables are A and B. Okay, and this %d is a format specification character. And what is the value of C? C is 7, and that will be printed on the screen. Next, I am performing the subtraction operation. A minus B. A is 3 and B is 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 is also an integer, and that is assigned to C. And I am printing C here. So C will be minus 1. Now I'll come to next line. Here I am performing the multiplication operation on A and B. So what is 3 into 4? 12. So 12 will be assigned to C. So C equal to 12. So this program I'll be demonstrating in Dev C++ IDE in the next session. So these are the concepts we have learnt from the previous program. What is compilation? Compilation, it is the process of translating the C program code into mission code or executable code or binary code, because your processor understands only the binary number system, ones and zeros, whereas C language program you are using English and the decimal number system and special characters as part of your program. So they must be converted into binary code. That will be done by the C compiler. And these are the various arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will demonstrate the division operation in the next program. Equal to is the assignment operator. We have used this assignment operator 3 times in the previous program. And %d is the format specification character for integer. and %f is for float data type. This float data type, it represents real values with 6-digit fractional part or 6-digit precision. So %c represents the character and %s represents string. %c is for single character, whereas %s is for a text or a message. So this / is the division operator, and this / represents integer division. Okay, if the operands of this slash are integers, for example 4/3 or 3/2, then the result will be an integer. Okay, if at least one operand is real value, then the result will be a real value. If two operands are integers, then you will always get integer as the answer. So this is the fourth program. This program represents the division operator exclusively. I have taken two variables a and b whose initial values are 3 and 4. I have declared those variables. Variable declaration means I will specify the number system. I will specify the data type of those variables. I can also specify their initial values. Okay, so we declare the variables. We tell to the compiler, these are the variables I'll be using in my program, and these are their names, these are the initial values, and these variables belong to this particular data type. So here a and b are integer data types and their initial values are 3 and 4. I have a floating point variable c equal to b by a. So what is b? 4. What is 4/3? 4 and 3 are integers. So if you apply division operator, you will get an integer 4/3. The quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. So you will get only 1. Whereas c is a floating point variable, this 1, when it is assigned to c, that 1 will be stored as 1.0000 and 00. Okay, 6-digit precision, 6-digit fractional part will be there. Now I am printing that c equal to %f. %f is for floating point value. So c equal to 1.000000. Now I am dividing b with 3.0. What is b? b is an integer with value 4, and I am dividing 4 with a real value. If one of the operands of this / or division operator, if at least one of the operand is a real value, then you will always get real value as the answer. The fractional part will not be removed. So what is 4/3.0? It is 1.333333, and that will be the output of this program. Okay, so this third program and fourth program I will demonstrate using Dev C++ IDE in the next session. Thank you.